Hello, today I'll talk about silver and gold because there has been a lot of concern about where is the future of these metals going. And well, I guess the best place to start is in the real world. And so I'll show you right here. There is a silver mine. This one is it's actually collapsed. There's not a lot of silver coming from that one. But anyway, where do precious metals come from? Well, precious metals come from stars, like the rest of the elements. You see, most stars, like our sun, they form the majority. They will go and fusion hydrogen into helium and other elements, and eventually, when they reach carbon, they will reach the end of their lives. But bigger stars, the minority, are able to crush even further the elements into other elements, and so they will go on and creating more elements up to iron, because iron is the last element that they can fusion, and after that they will not be able to get any more energy and they will also die. But as they do, they will explode into a supernova, and that explosion is so powerful, then that's where you get the rest of the elements created, and that catastrophic um, explosion, the end of the star's life. So out of that explosion, that's where we get our elements. But of course, there's a lot of chaos here, and it is quite hard to create heavier and heavier elements. And so, with every number that you see here on the periodic table going up, it's because it's getting more protons into the core, and it gets exponentially harder to do that. That's why the higher number of protons that you find in an element, the rarer it's the element to find. Exponentially harder to find these elements. And you can see there is gold, AU79, one of the most rare elements that we can handle. The other ones are more rare than gold, but they're also poisonous, so we don't mess with them a lot. And the rest of them are radioactive, so we really don't like to get close to those. But gold is very stable, and it has other properties that have made it a precious metal. So silver 47, symbol Ag. So the elements, the most common element in the universe is actually hydrogen. That's when you combine hydrogen with oxygen, you get water, and those are that is actually abundant in the universe. But anyway, let's use the palladium here. Palladium it's more abundant than silver, and platinum is more abundant than gold. So gold and silver are still more precious than platinum and palladium. But of course, that doesn't mean that in our planet, particular, we do have well distributed amounts of those metals. But of course, we haven't explored the whole planet. But what we will find is that there is more palladium than that there is silver, and then there is more platinum than there is gold. Chances are. And I wanted to show you the prices that the market has for these elements. And obviously, one of these numbers is not like the other, right? Thousands, hundreds, less than 20 bucks. Hmm. Well, do you think that's going to change after I show you the actual distribution of these elements? Think about that.